For over 40 years, Elcomp has been a trailblazer in Malaysia's industrial automation landscape, delivering innovative solutions that drive productivity and efficiency. With a strong presence in the Northern Region, Elcomp is the trusted partner for all your automation needs.
I'm the Technical Director in Elcomp. I'm working in Elcomp since 1990s. SCADA system was introduced mid of 1990s. We also introduced Cobot, collaborative robot, which is designed for robots and humans can work together safely.
At Elcomp, we provide end-to-end solutions in industrial automation, leveraging cutting-edge technology to optimize your operations. Partnered with global leaders like Omron, Moxa, and Patlite, we offer tailored, high-quality products to meet the demands of every industry.
My name is Tai Yuji, and they call me Peter Tai in this company. I have been working in this company for 28 years, and now I'm the sales director of this company. In the beginning, our company didn't have a formal distributorship. We focused on offering products, general products, based on just what customer needed. Starting with just 3 employees, Elcomp has become a company with 36 full-time staff today. Our most important partnership began in 1986 when Elcomp became the distributor of Omron products in Northern Region of Malaysia. And now Omron products contribute 80% to our total sales. We always say that training and improving the skill of our staff is very important. So Elcomp always focus on constantly training and developing our employees, especially in those new technology like IoT, AI, and also Cobot.
Elcomp is your trusted partner, delivering innovative solutions that streamline processes and prepare your facilities for Industry 4.0, empowering industries to embrace the future of smart manufacturing. Our commitment to excellence is proven through our award-winning service, recognized for innovation and leadership in the industry. With our in-house team of highly trained engineers, we're ready to lead businesses into the digital age, equipping them for success in the future of automation.
We are the frontliner of factory automation.
And we will continue to grow.